Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you straight into my kitchen where I will be making some rich, creamy and absolutely delicious Jamaican carrot juice. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And for those who are interacting with my content, welcome back. I appreciate the love and support. Let's get right into it. So for this recipe, you're going to need some fresh carrots that is washed and chopped, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 bottle of Supligen, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence, half teaspoon of nutmeg, a splash of Jamaican white rum, optional but it is. First, I'm going to peel and chop my carrots and wash it. Then I'm going to go ahead and put this in the blender to blend. You can also add ginger if you like, but for me, I'm not going to use any ginger in this recipe. This juice is absolutely delicious, and let me know if you're going to give it a try and let me know how yours turned out. I would love to know in the comment section below. So for flavor, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of rum. This is optional, but it is absolutely delicious when you add some rum to your carrot juice. Give it a try and let me know. Then I'm going to go ahead and pour in this bottle of Supligen. This will give it an extra creamy boost with the carrot and everything combined together. And we're going to sweeten our carrot juice using condensed milk. We do not use sugar to sweeten our carrot juice. Then I'm going to go ahead and add about half teaspoon of nutmeg, or you can add 1 teaspoon depending on the amount of carrot juice that you're making. And here you have it, our carrot drink is ready. It is so simple to make and it is absolutely delicious. You should give it a try, as I said once before. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Let me know